viral one from 10 move edits, while the second video is one I created myself in CapCut using its simple features. Here, I will show you how to edit a photo to transform it into a hero, including the transition. The first step is to freeze the final clip, capture it, adjust its size, then save. Exit the project and go to Edit Photo. Add the photo you just captured, then go to AI Edit. Select the Seedream 5.0 Pro model, paste the prompt, and tap plus icon to add the hero character as a reference, then generate. I've included it in the comment section, so you can copy it directly. Select the results you like, then open AI Remove. Tap the brush icon, zoom in on the AI text, and brush AI text it, then save. After that, open the project, adjust the freeze clip to the 1.8s, and then copy the clip twice. Set the copied clip as an overlay. Go to Remove BG, select Auto Remove to All Overlay. After that, tap the first overlay and apply an offset stroke. Simply adjust the stroke to fit your clip. Then on the first overlay, add Glow 2 effect, set 100 to all, and apply Fade in Animation to All Overlay. Then, add the previously edited Hero overlay, and set the duration to approximately 1.1 seconds. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and at the 0.7, or align it with the beat. Go to Horizontal Mask, invert, then drag it to the bottom position for the first keyframe, and drag it to the top position for the second keyframe, and apply Circular Ease Graph. After that, copy it, position it underneath. Go to Remove BG, select Auto Remove, and add an offset stroke. Add Glow 2 effect, set 100 to all on this second hero overlay. After that, copy again hero overlay, position it underneath, go to Remove BG, select Auto Remove, and done. Please for tap repost.